Alright, in this video I'm gonna show you how to solve literal equations. So basically these type of equations, you're solving for a specific variable, and so we're just going to use all the different properties of equality and then solve. So first thing is you have to see that what you're solving for, it's saying the perimeter. Oh, actually this is not what it's solving for. Here's the actual problem. It says the L is the length, it says solve for L. Okay, so if you notice, the L is right here, so we just need to make sure to get this variable by itself. So let me just start by writing everything out here. L plus 2w. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and first take away the 2w on both sides. So you'll have here p, they're not like terms, so we just rewrite everything, 2l, and then we're going to divide both sides by 2, and then so now you have L equals, you can just copy all this down and see if we can find it. If not, then we can keep solving, but I see it's right here. Okay, alright, just make sure you know which variable is asking you to solve for. It says solve for t is right here. So it looks like on this one I can just go ahead, and since everything is being multiplied, I can get rid of everything by just dividing it out like that. So then you have t equals c over 5s squared. There you go. There's two more. So you have here which linear equation is equivalent to this. So it's not necessarily telling us exactly what to solve for, but if you notice in the answer choices, everything is solved for y. So we're going to take our equation and we're going to go ahead and solve for y. So the first step here would be to subtract 2x on both sides, and then you'd have negative 3y equals negative 2x plus 6, and then we can divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3 on everything, and then you would have y equals, so negative 2 divided by negative 3, the negatives go away, so you just have 2 over 3x, and then 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. Okay. Alright, a data set with an even number of data points is ordered from least to greatest, where m is equal to this. Anyway, we'll just go ahead and see what we have to solve for. We have to solve for x1. So to get x1 by itself, we will first, before I can subtract or add or anything, we'll go ahead and take away the 2 by multiplying by 2 on both sides. So you have 2m, and then the 2's get cancelled out, equals x1 plus x2. And then we're going to subtract x2 to get x1 by itself. And then you have, let me just write the answer here. So you have x1 equals 2m. I don't know why I wrote it like that, sorry. 2m minus x2. 2m minus x2. There you go. Alright guys, thank you.